Hey everybody, it's Mike here at Find Your Cards with a box break of 12/13 Limited here on the 27th of May. I always appreciate you joining my breaks. Before we get started, I'm going to get the eBay current time up. Okay, eBay current time, what do we got? (22:33:41) Eastern Standard Time. Alright, of course, single pack in a box. All cards get shipped out. Lots of nice stuff in this product. So, good luck and hopefully we get something sweet tonight. Also, be sure to check out, I'm going to send you the info on my random team break for Limited. Still trying to get the last few spots sold up. So, if we can get that going, that'd be great. Here we go. I'll empty out. Okay. Here we go. We'll start with, for the Minnesota Wild, Limited Captains Mikko Koivu. Limited Captains Mikko Koivu. Next up, we got base of $2.99, Steve Mason. Phenoms, New York Islanders, Matt Donovan. Next up is a limited rookie redemption, Los Angeles Kings. Whoops, just blinded me and all of you. Limited rookie redemption, Los Angeles Kings. Okay. Next, we got limited travel. So this is going to get randomized. It's out of 99. It is Mr. Grant Fuhr. We got Leafs, Sabres, and Kings. Leafs, Sabres, Kings, Grant Fuhr. Triple jersey out of 99. And we carry on with our Leaf theme. It is a freshman jumbo at a 49. Carter Ashton. Carter Ashton. And we'll finish it up with the Stanley Cup winners of Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby, Stanley Cup winners. Of course, that's out of 199. Number 134 of 199. All right, random time. Here we go. I know. I know. Oh, that one kind of sucks with the random one there. All right. Leafs. Sabres. Kings. Three times, team on top. It is yours. 1, 2, and last one. It really wanted to go to the Kings. Kings it is. Kings, you got yourself a Grant Fuhr. All right, thank you very much again, everybody. Tongue-tied there. It's Mike here at Find Your Cards. Have yourselves a great evening. We'll see you all soon. Also, Friday, I got up is my case of SP game use, and of course, with every case break, there is a hobby box giveaway to one of the 30 spots. Plus, we got trivia questions for bonus packs of cards. All right, have yourselves a great evening.